Okay, so I just picked up the HomePod. It's a nice packaging from Apple, from UPS. Yeah, I like this shipping boxes. Nice. Home, it's a HomePod. Um, so I got the black HomePod. Looks great to me right now. I mean, the packaging. Wonder if the packaging is different if you get a white HomePod. Take a look. There you go. It's a box. Let's try to open it up. And remove the plastic. There you go. Nothing's inside that top box. Okay. The HomePod. I think when you hold it, it feels like you're, like, let's see. Okay, here's the stickers, usual manuals, sticker, quick manuals. Yeah, so the bottom, like, rubber. Then, yeah, when you hold it, it hard, feels like your finger presses on this mesh, nice screen. And yeah, there you go. The wire, wires feels different. And yeah, that's a HomePod. But yeah, definitely it's pricey. I have to test the sounds out. I think it's unfair it's being compared to, Google Home Mini Enterprise or Amazon Echo Dot, but I think the better comparison is at Google Home Max. But yeah, thank you for watching.